onto Excel. And what we're going to be doing is looking at a couple of ways for us to prepare ourselves for Excel. So what I have is I have a link to a video that kind of helps us, when do we use when should we use a spreadsheet? What is the reason for it? So we're going to have you kind of look at that so we can find out how other business people have made that decision, and when we start thinking about it in that way, because we don't want to just use Excel for the fun of it. We want to use it for a purpose of solving problems. I also have over here a link to a tutorial for beginners, meaning that when we go through demonstrations, sometimes you just need to jump and find something really, really quick. And so with this tutorial, you're welcome to go ahead and scan through to an area that maybe you want to learn a little bit more about. So that gives you that opportunity to go exactly where you need to go to learn maybe just about how to set up a graph in this particular case, where we can go directly into 4 minutes in, find out how to send some borders, and eventually we'll show how to do the graphing functions that we talked about before. So you can just jump and go very quickly to what you want to know and not have to just wait. Okay? The other area we have is to kind of get us used to Excel. And again, we have Excel that we're going to be accessing together. Is that I have opportunities for us to kind of use Excel for a fun reason, looking into it as how to set up the game Battleship. And so what we have here is some instructions, step-by-step instructions on how to do that. Kind of tells you how we're going to take that spreadsheet and how we're going to be able to find out how to set up our own Battleship game. So we'll be able to play with other students in just a little bit. Now here's the good news. It's great for us to look through instructions step by step, and that is a really good skill to have. But what's really nice is that some of our classmates have made it a little even easier for you. So they've actually gone ahead and created their own video, getting straight to the point in 1 minute and 20 seconds how to set up your Battleship game. And you can watch that there. There you go. So this is just a little overview of our Excel area for us to get ready to work together and solve problems using spreadsheets, and in our case, Excel.